Hi everyone, we're going to do just a short video showing you how to fit the rotating scoops to your existing WRC slider kits and all the parts that you'll get when you buy the upgrade kits from the website. So in the kit you will receive the rotating scoop, 2 fixing lugs, stainless steel fixing bolts and some actual glue to glue the lugs onto the rails. Now you'll also get a fixing layout which you can position the rails on. It tells you where to glue the lugs, and I'm just about to run through everything that you need to do. So if you just watch carefully, you'll be able to fix everything together yourself. So with your rails on your layout, just position your lug. Again, the hole for the bolt's got to be on the outside. Just put it on your rail, flush with this inner edge here. Don't have it poking over, just flush. Gently hold it on with your finger. Load the brush up with the glue, and basically you just let the glue run under the lug, and it will actually suck all the glue underneath it. And then you just hold it there for 30 seconds. Once you've done that one, you can actually just run a bit of the glue down that top edge as well and let that set. So don't be tempted to move it. You've got a good glue layer in there. Again, if we do the other one, so the hole for the bolt on the outside, just set your rail up, put your lug on, flush with the inside, and then you can run some glue down that edge, or spin it round if you're more comfortable doing it. Just let it set 30 seconds, and then your lugs are on, and just leave them alone for about an hour's time. Once that's passed, everything's solid, you can start putting everything back together in your car then. So once you've put your rails back onto your windows, take your scoop. The flat side needs to be on the position inside your car. Just line everything up. Install the screw in that side. Install the bolt in that side. Just tighten everything up, and basically your scoop's where it needs to be, and then when you push it open it will lock into the window as such. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.